So, joke's on you. I just want to hear about why you think Seaweed Bliss is the product for anybody.
What? Guess what? I bought my new product for you.
Stop the video right there. Do you trust that face? It was in that moment I wasn't sure if the man was being honest or not, but I'll tell you what, Seaweed Bliss is good, but you just don't mix ginger turmeric. I had to find out more.
What is that?
Man,
What
this
do
is
we got?
ginger, turmeric,
Purple sea moss gel. You can never go wrong with something like this here.
Now, why? What ginger? What turmeric? What is this for here? Because I noticed there's a label. There's some directions.
So the directions is for the 92 to 102 minerals that the body needs. Healthy heart, healthy thyroid, strengthen your bones, help your libido, help your digestive system.
Also, wait. Joke's on you. I brought a cup and a spoon. Now, when I like to what I call just scoop it out of here, if you don't mind, I just go ahead.
Oh yeah, sure. That's yours, you know?
All right. Now, I do prefer the green sea moss gel. So the other day when he was saying what ginger and turmeric, I really wanted to try. I do 3 big scoops and I have like a flavored like water. So this is just, most people mix it with something or they'll put it with some type of spread on their food. That's the way I've done it before. I'm just kind of hardcore. So I'll go 3 big spoons and then I'll just drink it with something. That's actually good flavor.
Oh, see, that's what's up. Does it taste like fish at all or oceany or anything?
No, literally no, it doesn't. It's
smooth, huh?
The flavor is great.
Can you taste the ginger?
Yeah.
All right, great. See? Healthy choices are number one, you know?
One more. We want to do one more for the road, right?
Do it for the vine.
That's on me.
It was so good, you know, he just couldn't resist.
And that's how I Seaweed Bliss. This has just got a better flavor. I know most people, they will either mix it in their oatmeal or they'll do different recipes. I know he's probably got a bunch of recipes. If you guys don't know, he's also a chef. I know. Joke's on me. Joke's on you. Joke's on me. I liked it. It was good.
Absolutely great.